Welcome to this video tutorial on how to solve linear equations in two variables. In this video, we will cover the basic concepts of solving linear equations in two variables, including the different methods you can use to solve them. Let's start understanding linear equations in two variables. A linear equation in two variables is an equation of the form ax plus by equals c, where x and y are the variables, a, b and c are constants. To solve a linear equation in two variables, we need to find the values of x and y that make the equation true. Let's work through an example problem to illustrate how to solve a linear equation in two variables using the substitution method. Step 1. Solve for one variable. We can solve for x in the second equation by adding y to both sides. X equals y plus 1. Step 2. Substitute. We can substitute this expression for x into the first equation. 2. Y plus 1 plus y equals 5. Step 3. Solving for the other variable. Simplifying the equation, we get 3y plus 2 equals 5. 3y equals 3. Y equals 1. Step 4. Solving for the first variable. Now that we know y as 1, we can substitute this value back into the equation we found for x. X equals y plus 1. X equals 2. Step 5. Check the answer. We can verify our answer by substituting x equals 2 and y equals 1 back into both equations. Though 2 plus 1 equals 5, true. 2 minus 1 equals 1, true.
Conclusion. And that's how you solve a linear equation in two variables using the substitution method. Remember, there are multiple methods for solving these equations, so choose the one that works best for you. With practice, you'll become more comfortable and confident in solving these types of problems. Thanks for watching.